Hello guys, so welcome to the late night technical analysis video. Okay, so we are going to analyze a lot of stocks right here. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the trades we took yesterday. Those were Escorts, IEX, Naukri, and we were thinking to plan a trade on Grindwell if it goes well today. Okay, so that was our complete perception of how to trade these stocks. Okay, now on the other hand, also we got some stocks like Adani Ports, Balaji Amines, Phoenix, Nam India, Persistent. Okay, so these are some trades that I would like to share it with you guys. Okay, but first we are going to review the trades. Okay, first we are going to review the trades of Escort, IEX, Naukri, and Grindwell. In Grindville Norton, we have not entered yet. Okay, from our community, I guess, but we want some good conviction in order to enter this stock. Talking about escorts, there are a lot of people who have entered escorts with me. We have all analyzed the escorts and discussed one-on-one discussion session took place back to back, and we took the trade right at this particular area. The stock was in our radar at this area. As it breaks down and comes up again, that was our trigger point. This was our entry point, and we are on a profit of around 3.7% from our buying price, and that's beautiful. Okay, so if you guys see, okay, so I took a trade right here at 13.18, also added more quantity at the day's end. Okay, as I told on the telegram. So that was around my average price would be around 1300 or something, 1305, I guess. Our targets would be 1380, as there is a hurdle right here, you can see double top pattern. Okay, double tops were there, one top right here, the second top right here, and a huge reversal from here, kind of a inverted kind of a head and shoulder pattern, and a big breakdown. Now the chart is coming again to those levels, to those bearish levels, which used to be bearish. So it will definitely get some resistance at these areas until and unless it breaks it with very huge candle. Okay, if a huge candle comes, we will book our profits. If it gets rejection from these areas on the smaller time frame, like 1 hour, we will book our profits. Talking about IEX, we took the trade right on this candle because the risk on this candle is 3%, but on this candle it was around 6%. So we waited, and this candle has some wick also. That wick was been taken out, and now given a very bullish candle. Now that wick, now the price is sustaining above that particular wick. You can see right there how the price action is working. This area was a very important area. The important level of 418 was really important. Our stop loss, now our stop loss would be 411 in this particular trade, and as you have allotted the capital right from 427 as per the group. Okay, so our target is of 5% and 9%. The trade is getting good. Okay, as it has this is a consolidating candle. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, you will see this is a consolidatory mark. Okay, how it is consolidating. See, beautiful consolidation right here. Okay, so this candle is a consolidation candle, also a sustaining candle. Talking about Naukri Info Edge, you can see a big breakout right here. Okay, and then a beautiful uh, consolidatory candle right there. Okay, this is not a selling candle, this is just a consolidating candle. Okay, if this gives you a breakout, right, okay, then you can definitely book a trade. You can definitely start initiating a trade right there. Okay, what could be the possible trade? This could be your possible trade on the 15-minute charts on the for the intraday traders as well. Okay, so also the people who entered right at these areas, okay, I would definitely like to tell them to hold the stock, as this is not a selling candle again. This is just a consolidatory candle. Okay, this will be a bearish sign if it comes to these areas. Okay, if it comes to these areas, that would be a really bearish sign for Naukri, and the stock might show some bearishness afterwards. But that again, this is your stop loss for this trade, even if you have entered at the top. Okay, so that's it for the trade reviews. Okay, Grindwell, as soon as the stock of Grindwell, as soon as it is breaking the level of 1280, there is a good chance to enter the stock till the levels of 1358. Okay, so 1358 could be a really good so as soon as it breaks, see on the 15-minute time frame, this is a really good candle. If it comes here and breaks it on the 15-minute time frame above the 2 or 2.5% mark, you can have a good entry right here. Okay, the stop loss would be of course below this particular trend line, that would be 5%, and again 5%, 6% would be your profit booking zones. So Grindwell Norton it is. Okay, people who have already entered Grindwell, very well, your stop loss would be closing basis this and touch basis that. uh, Let me tell you, touch basis the stop loss would be 1208. If it even touches, exit it. If it closes below this trend line, exit it. Okay, otherwise book the profits at these areas if it is going good. Okay, talking about Balaji Amines, you can see how beautifully the stock is getting support at this trend line. Okay, again gets a support right at this zone. Okay, this is a really good zone where it is, where it was making a good demand. Okay, you can see the buying candles right here, and see short-term trend line, short-term counter trend line is being broken. Okay, there could be a small momentum of 4.5% for the above. Also, the risk is really small, that is around 4%. So 4% risk and around 4.5% reward. So seems like a good trade from right here. Okay, you can trade that according to your willingness if you want it. Talking about Phoenix Mills, I got this stock. Felt like felt like this is making really good support at these areas. Okay, and this was the time I that the stock got triggered in my watch list, as I made this trend line. This trend line was already there in my setup, as I analyze around 200 300 stocks as I get free from my other works. So there you can see a very beautiful morning star type pattern. Okay, it is not exactly morning star, but what is the meaning of morning star? Means a bearish candle, a follow up, and a complete gap up and a bullish candle. Okay, so kind of that particular thing. Okay, or not even a gap up, then a rejection first and then a movement for above. So that is how a morning star works. So seems like pretty good bullish area. Okay, the stock does not want to go below this trend line. Okay, also it has given a short term trend line breakout right here. Okay, so you can keep a stop loss. The stop loss would be a little big, I guess, if this, yes, 4% stop loss, but the targets would again be around 6%. So you can make a small trade in this Phoenix Mill also. The rest of the two stocks are Nam India. If you see Nippon Life, Nippon Lime. Okay, so the stock seems pretty good at these areas. If you see, it is get it, although it made a huge wick right there. Okay, so many of you might have traded on this candle of 15 July, but if you see that this is really a good momentum catch up of the trade. Okay, for the next day, but this is just a mere profit booking, I guess. What you can think of right here is this particular pattern in making. Okay, it has been rejected multiple times right at this area. What one can do is, if you go to the smaller time frame, if you go to the smaller time frame, let's go there, you can see people have bought it. Okay, and where you will be seeing that as soon as this particular level is been broken on the 15-minute time frame of the 410.7, you can go long, as you can see that it is making higher lows right here. Okay, it is making higher lows, so we can anticipate a breakout and a higher high would be in making. So that's how you can go long on this stock. Okay, seems pretty right. Talking about persistent system, so persistent system, you can see this is a like widening range broadening pattern. Okay, the range is increasing and the pattern is constantly in the uptrend. But what I see is like the stock is getting small buying candles at these areas. It is getting a good gap up also. The gap up is being sustained above these areas, and now it is getting rejection at these areas as well. Okay, so now it's in the squeeze zone, so we can take the advantage of the squeeze. Okay, if you see a small pop out candle out of this area, out of this consolidatory area, then definitely this particular region we would be targeting. Okay, that is around 8%. Okay, of course it's a little difficult to capture such kind of patterns, but slowly and gradually you guys will be able to comprehend, as you guys are already following the hashtag Hammer Academy. uh, ABFRL, no, that's not in our radar right now. Okay, we are going for the breakout trades. No, there are no low risks, high reward setups currently. Just have to watch them. Okay, so that's it, guys. There were some other stocks too, but that would be it because other stocks might have given a breakout. Already a big momentum registered, like HDFC Life, I guess SBI cards. So these are the stocks already registering a big momentum. So why would I even talk about them when you cannot make the actual money from them right now? Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I would be producing one more video that would be on Linde India and HAL, how we analyzed it and how our community responded and how people made 20%, 10%, and in Linde India, there are some people of our community holding it with 40% in just 5 days. Okay, so that is like amazing for every one of you. So even if you have invested 1 lakh in the Linde India trade, you could have captured 40,000 rupees. Okay, people talk about giving their courses on 20,000 and 30, 50,000, and just imagine the simple price action theory, just this simple discussion group, people are making like 40,000. So like that's pretty good. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for being with me.